Rob, great to have you back.
Hey, Craig, good to see you again.
Congratulations on the opening of that beautiful new store in the Williamsburg neighborhood of Brooklyn, New York. Tell us a little about how this new store is part of RYU Apparel's brand repositioning.
This is a really strategic door for us. Obviously, having this size of a presence in our most important market in the United States, it speaks volumes for RYU and our future, expansion strategy. This store in Williamsburg is a beautiful store. It really personifies everything that RYU stands for. We're excited about it. We're excited for retail to be opening again. We're excited for traffic and consumers to kind of re-engage. And then it's part of our three-tier strategy. So we've got, an equally beautiful store in Toronto at Queen West. We also have our flagship door in Vancouver on 4th. So, it's a nice expansion to the fleet, and we're just looking forward to retail to continue to strengthen.
How would you compare the market opportunity for RYU versus your prior experiences at Lululemon and Nike?
Yeah, no, it's a good question. I get asked this question quite often. Obviously, ton of respect. Nike and Lululemon have got many years ahead of us, had some great success. But I look at it as being a David and Goliath scenario. We're a challenger brand. We're coming to the market. We're agile. We have a lean organization. We don't have a legacy, so we can move quickly and take advantage of opportunities that the behemoths can't take advantage of. So we look at this as being it's great. It's great to have some strong and big competition. We're going to use it to our advantage.
We've noticed several celebrity affiliations with RYU, for example, branded entertainment, as well as the recent NFL alumni connection. How will these new opportunities help RYU drive growth over the next 12 to 18 months?
Well, RYU is still a discovery brand in so many markets. We look at, in home turf in Canada, we certainly have presence here in the US market. That it's geographically, we've got some presence in key markets. But that said, we're a discovery brand. And so these partnerships are critical in creating the awareness around the brand and in starting to create a community for RYU. So obviously there's a number of segments of the market that we're going to take advantage of and use these partnerships to create a presence.
Explain to us the company's business model. You've been repositioning post-COVID. How do you expect to make money with some of those key shifts in the business?
Yeah, it's a good question, Craig. Obviously, I think many retailers are experiencing, this time and trying to figure out what the next chapter is going to look like. For RYU and the model that we're building, we're really thinking about the consumer and what that consumer experience looks like. We're looking at a hyper-curated product offering, making it easy for consumers to understand, to interact with us. We're focusing on the digital side of our business, creating this seamless end-to-end experience on all touch points, so that whether you're walking into retail doors, which we're now reopened, which is great, but also our online experience. So making it really easy for consumers to interact and also serving up products that are relevant to consumers right now. During this pandemic time, how many people have been working from home? Obviously, athleticism is still really important. We see that with what's been happening in the market, the advent of Peloton and how much success they've had with home gyms, and the mirror with the acquisition with Lululemon. So, we look at this as being an opportunity to kind of serve up products that are really relevant, have high demand, and then go deep with depth and variety to give consumers what they're looking for.
There has been significant insider support for RYU these past 2 quarters from CEO Cesar Fazzari. Has this allowed you to potentially grow and expand despite the COVID lockdowns in several of your markets?
It has, for sure. Yeah, no, absolutely. Cesar's been a force for us at RYU. He's a true believer, a maverick, and looking to support us, to allow us to grow this business and realize the potential of what this business has. RYU's had an interesting past. We all know the past of RYU, who followed the brand closely. But that said, this is a new chapter, and so every time folks ask me questions around it, it's always looking forward. We've got a bright future ahead of us. We've got a great support from Cesar and his teams. We're just looking forward to it.
Let's sum up a moment. What is the essential value proposition behind RYU Apparel? Why should investors take an interest today?
It's the million-dollar question, and I'd say it's the billion-dollar question. RYU, to the points earlier, we're well positioned. We're a challenger brand. We don't have a legacy issues. We're a lean organization. We're building the foundation carefully. We're going to scale this business appropriately. And this business is set for success. We are going to displace the market, separate, cut through the noise, and really give consumers this incredible offering. And then right now, I mean, the valuation of RYU, again, it's ripe to get invested now. This is going to go quickly, and it's going to be a juggernaut. So, for those who are looking for a great investment opportunity, RYU is it.
Great story, Rob. Good luck, and thanks for being with us today.
Hey, thanks, Craig, and really appreciate the support.